Talent Development Hub, your one-stop e-course warehouse for corporate growth. Presenting the Digital Transformation Strategy Bootcamp, a comprehensive guide to redefining business models, optimizing operations, and enhancing customer value in the digital age. Title: What is digital transformation? The definition: it is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to customers. It's a cultural change that requires organizations to challenge the status quo. Why it matters: survival, adapting to rapid market shifts; efficiency, automating manual workflows; customer expectation, meeting demands for seamless, instant service; new revenue, creating digital-first business models. Title: The urgency. Why transform now? Market conditions mandate immediate digital strategy to maintain relevance and competitive advantage. Accelerated digital migration. Consumer behavior permanently shifted post-2020, e.g., e-commerce, remote healthcare. Hypercompetition. Digital native startups and agile incumbents are disrupting traditional industries rapidly. Economic resilience. Automation, RPA, AI, is essential for cost reduction and securing volatile supply chains. Talent attraction. Modern, flexible digital workplaces are required to attract and retain top talent. Title: The 4 Pillars of Transformation. Customer experience. Shifting from touchpoints to journeys. Using data to personalize interactions at scale. Operational agility. Replacing rigid hierarchies with agile teams and automated processes. Culture and leadership. Fostering a mindset of experimentation, continuous learning, and digital fluency. Business model. Transitioning from selling products to selling services or outcomes. SaaS. Title: Key benefits and ROI. Successful transformation delivers measurable impact on both the top and bottom lines. Operational efficiency. Streamlining processes through automation reduces operational costs, often by 20 to 30%, and minimizes human error. Faster time to market. Agile workflows allow products to move from ideation to launch in weeks rather than months. Enhance customer loyalty. Personalized, data-driven experiences increase retention rates and customer lifetime value, CLV. Data-driven decisions. Moving from gut feeling to real-time analytics allows for accurate forecasting and risk mitigation. Title: Strategic Roadmap. 1. Vision and audit. Assess digital maturity and define the North Star business goals. 2. Pilot and prototype. Launch MVPs, minimum viable products, to test hypotheses quickly. 3. Scale and integrate. Roll out successful pilots across the enterprise and integrate with core systems. 4. Optimize. Continuous improvement using real-time data loops and AI. Title: Customer Experience, CX. Modern CX is about predicting needs before the customer articulates them. Omnichannel. Seamless transition between mobile, web, and physical stores. Personalization. Using AI to recommend products, e.g., Netflix because you watched. Self-service. Empowering users with chatbots and knowledge bases. Title: Operational Agility. Operational agility allows companies to pivot quickly in response to market changes. Agile methodologies, sprints, scrums, and iterative development. DevOps, bridging the gap between development and operations for faster deployment. Cross-functional teams, breaking down silos between marketing, IT, and sales. Title: Data-driven intelligence. Transforming raw data into actionable insights is the core of digital strategy. Predictive analytics, forecasting trends and maintenance needs, e.g., Michelin IoT tires. Real-time dashboards, instant visibility into KPI performance. Data governance, ensuring data quality, privacy, and security. Title: Technology enablers. The tech stack that powers transformation. Cloud computing, stores data and applications online, making them accessible anytime, anywhere. Artificial intelligence helps automate tasks, analyze data, and make smarter decisions faster. IoT, Internet of Things, connects physical devices to the internet for real-time tracking and control. Automation tools simplify repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and increase productivity. Title: The future is continuous. Digital transformation is not a destination, but a journey of constant adaptation. Next frontiers: generative AI, the next frontier of productivity. Sustainability, green tech as a strategic advantage. Hyperautomation, end-to-end process automation. Title: Case Study, Netflix's transformation, DVD to streaming. Overview: Netflix executed a full digital transformation by moving from a mail-order DVD rental business to a global, cloud-native streaming and content production powerhouse, fundamentally changing its business model. 1. Business model transformation. The pivot changed revenue model from paying per rental blockbuster model to a subscription-based, all-you-can-watch service. This shift required complete restructuring of infrastructure and content rights strategy. Vertical integration, transition from licensing content to producing original content, giving them IP ownership and global distribution control, which is essential for subscriber retention. 2. Customer experience, CX, innovation. Personalization utilizes massive amounts of user data, what you watched, when, where you paused, etc., to power proprietary recommendation algorithms. This drives engagement and reduces churn. Multi-platform access, ensuring seamless streaming across every device, TV, mobile, tablet, game console, globally, eliminating friction points that existed with physical media. User interface, UI continuous A/B testing of their interface, artwork, and row structure to optimize discovery and viewing habits. 3. Operational agility and technology. Cloud migration famously moved their entire infrastructure from internal data centers to Amazon Web Services, AWS. This provided immense scalability to handle global peak viewing times and rapid expansion into new markets. Microservices architecture. Their applications are built using microservices, allowing individual features to be updated, scaled, and deployed independently without taking down the entire platform. This is a core component of DevOps philosophy. 4. Culture and leadership. Freedom and responsibility. Netflix operates with a highly autonomous, high-performance culture. Employees are given immense freedom, e.g., unlimited vacation, but are held accountable for exceptional results. Data-driven decisions. Every major content decision, feature launch, and international expansion is fundamentally driven by data analysis and experimentation, fostering a culture of objective measurement rather than gut feeling. Thank you for spending this time diving deep into digital transformation strategy. We began by defining digital transformation not just as a technology upgrade, but as a fundamental cultural shift in how we operate and deliver value. We established the 4 critical pillars: customer experience, operational agility, culture, and business model innovation. We proved the urgency. It's no longer about getting ahead, but about staying alive in a hyper-competitive post-digital world. And we saw the tangible benefits: increased efficiency, faster time to market, and greater revenue resilience. As we look toward the future, transformation is not a single project with a deadline. It is a continuous capability. The next wave is already here, driven by generative AI and hyperautomation. The critical takeaway is this: digital transformation starts with a strategic vision, not a software purchase. Go back to your teams, audit your current digital maturity, and define your North Star. Focus on delivering value to your customer, and let technology be the enabler, not the driver. The time to pivot is now. Let's make the shift from legacy to leadership. Thank you. Take care and stay blessed.